This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in a Vanguard gun and the core attachments that fix its biggest weaknesses: recoil and aim down sight speed. Pick a compensator or muzzle first, then a foregrip and stock to steady fire and keep sprint-to-fire quick. Once done, load perks that let you maneuver and stay off radar. This lets you close distances and reset fights. You should now drop into a match and focus on consistent short bursts and controlled tap fire to learn the weapon's rhythm. Now refine how you fight with the gun. Position yourself near cover and pre-aim the next likely angle so you see opponents first. For mid-range fights, use short bursts or 3 to 4 round taps to avoid recoil bloom. Switch to full auto inside 10 meters. Make sure to strafe and then brief counter-strafe before firing to land accurate first shots. Once done, mix movement, crouch bursts, and shoulder peaks, so you keep firing accuracy while staying hard to hit. Finish by reviewing performance. Check kill distances and decide whether to prioritize range or handling and swap attachments accordingly. Make small sensitivity adjustments, about 5 to 10%, if your aim consistently over or undershoots targets. This fine-tunes tracking. If you notice recoil spikes, add an extra stability attachment or slightly lower ADS sensitivity to regain control. If things still go wrong, drop into a custom match, test changes at different ranges, and iterate until the weapon feels reliable in live play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.